Solve the exponential equation for x. In this equation, you can see an expression with x in the exponent of this term. In order to solve the equation, you need to remove x from the exponent and then solve for it. With exponential equations, the most obvious way to take the x term out of the exponent is to take the logarithm of this expression, and in fact take the logarithm of both sides of the equation. But you should look for ways of simplifying this process. Here's how. 27 can be rewritten as 3 cubed. So we get 3 cubed equals 3 to the 2x plus 1. Notice that both sides of the equation now have the same base, 3. When you have an equation like this, simply create an equation with the exponents. So we get 3 equals 2x plus 1. Using the reflexive property of equality, I swap terms across the equal sign and I get 2x plus 1 equals 3. Subtracting 1 from both sides of the equation, I get 2x equals 2. And then dividing both sides of the equation by 2, I get x is equal to 1. When solving exponential equations, look for opportunities to find a common base between the two terms. Then you can solve a much simpler equation using the terms in the exponents.